How does the retriever work in a RAG system? What are common retrieval methods? Answer: in a RAG system, the retriever plays a crucial role in gathering relevant information from external sources for the generator to use. The retriever's primary function is to identify the most relevant documents or passages that match the user's query or prompt. There are different methods that the retriever can use to retrieve information, which can be broadly categorized into two main approaches: sparse retrieval and dense retrieval. Sparse retrieval methods such as TF, IDF, or BM25 match keywords from the query to the keywords in the documents. This approach is simple and efficient but may not capture the deeper meaning behind the words. On the other hand, dense retrieval methods such as BERT or dense passage retrieval (DPR) use neural embeddings to understand the meaning of documents and queries. These methods represent documents as vectors in a shared space, making retrieval more accurate. The choice between these methods can greatly affect how well the RAG system works. In addition to these two main approaches, there are other retrieval methods that can be used in a RAG system, such as keyword extraction, entity recognition, and semantic search. The retriever can also use various techniques, such as ranking and filtering, to refine the results and ensure that the most relevant information is returned to the generator. In summary, the retriever in our RAG system plays a vital role in gathering relevant information from external sources. The choice of retrieval method can greatly impact the performance of the system, and a combination of methods may be used to achieve the best results.